Definitely thought that I might find a dead body. Here we are at a house in the hills of Eugene. This one is absolutely stunning. I just took a walk inside and I'm so excited to show you everything. It's a $900,000 house and it has every amenity that you could possibly dream of. Let's go inside. As you enter the front door, you'll notice the tile work is amazing. It has this large compass kind of design on the tile. It's like a sunburst. And you can enter into the front seating room first. And I think this is probably exactly how I would decorate it, with the piano and seats. It overlooks the whole entire city of Eugene. So take a look at that view. The layout of this house is really unique and incredible. The flow of it is amazing because it seems like it should be it feels very open, but it also feels kind of sectioned in the same kind of way. But as you can see, the ceilings are very tall, and you can enter into a dining room right next to the seating room, which it feels very intimate in here because the ceiling's a little bit shorter, but the molding in this house is absolutely beautiful. You can enter into the kitchen through the dining room. This kitchen has beautiful quartz countertops, and everything in here looks brand new. It seems like this house was just recently remodeled or newly built. It's just, oh, it's stunning. I love the layout of the kitchen. And let's go this way. Let's do a circle. Right next to the kitchen, you have this open space. You can put a table here if you wanted, but it's right next to the living room, which has a built-in fireplace, lots of storage space built in that you can display. Look at that shelving. The mantle is also very large, so you can decorate any way that you'd like there. And as you notice, there's this catwalk overhead that we'll show you in just a second. But I have a cool feature, two features actually, that I cannot wait to show you. So as you walk back through the kitchen, there's a door right here. The laundry room with a sink and a theater room. As you can see, they have a chandelier over the pool table, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to get a pool table for this house. And look at this giant screen. Oh, this is amazing. There's a projector up here, and you can project movies or anything onto the screen. This is the perfect sectional for this area because it feels so cozy. I am in love with this little den room. And there's a popcorn machine. Look at that, just extra special. I went downstairs a little earlier and I didn't really know what to expect, but this is one of my favorite things that I have ever seen in a house. So I was on these stairs and I noticed that there were doors, and I'm not a huge fan of random doors, especially when they're in the basement because I never know what I'm gonna find. Definitely thought that I might find a dead body. Look at this door. It looks so old and antique, and I'm so excited to show you next week.
I already can smell.
I know. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm in an underground wine cellar in a beautiful winery. They have fridges, they have all of the storage space. Even the tile work, the stonework on the walls is just phenomenal. This whole entire place feels very professional, and I would buy this house honestly just for the cool wine cellar. And I don't even drink a ton of wine, so this is incredible. I gasped when I opened the door. Okay, so that is one of my favorite features. I will also show you up to the second floor, which has some really cool features as well. And now I will show you upstairs. So as you can see, there's a theater behind me and the staircase next to the one downstairs. We'll go up this one. It has carpet, but then you get to a tile landing, which is really nice. And up here we have hardwood floors There is a half bathroom that you can use for guests. And look at this. They really love their drinks around here. This is a built-in custom bar with a custom stone countertop. Perfect for this little area. I feel like I'm in a hotel because if you look behind me, there's enough space to put a couch and entertain guests here, have a TV, watch a game. Oh, and another cool feature is you go get your wine from the cellar and you bring it to the wine station. And this has, it's like a little built-in fridge, and you can pour yourself different ounces and different glasses. And then there's the built-in rack as well. There's a balcony area, which I am obsessed with the backyard and I cannot wait to show you that. But this balcony area looks over the backyard. I'll give you a sneak peek. We have chairs out here. And as you can see, the backyard is huge. It goes all the way down to that fence line, but I'll walk you through it in a moment. Okay, so right next to the little upstairs seating room, there is, you could use this for an office. It looks like that's what they do. You use this for an office, but there's also a closet in here, so you could transform it into a bedroom if you needed to. And then the catwalk that you saw earlier that goes across the middle of the house is right here. There's stairs coming up to it. And this leads to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is on the front of the house, so you get a nice view of your front garden. There's a little view of the road, but I really love the way that the windows are framing the house. And there's a built-in fireplace. What more could you ask for? Look at that. And then the master bathroom is also incredible. Okay, so there's a large walk-in closet. And then there's another closet. There are 2 vanities. And then this beautiful giant bathtub in the middle. There's a closed off toilet and this stone shower. Look at that. So beautiful. So as soon as you come in through the entryway, you have the stairs on your right, left. I'm facing, they're on my right. But there's bedrooms over here. There are 2 bedrooms on the bottom floor. This one is carpeted. It has this built-in kind of vanity closet, which has a dresser built into the wall. I haven't seen that in very many places. But this one is also a front-facing bedroom, so it has windows that look into your front garden, and it has a lot of room for like a bed. You can even put a king-size bed in here if you wanted to. There is a bathroom in between, and this one's really nice. It has this huge shower and a second bedroom. So this house only has 3 bedrooms total. This one is hardwood floor too. And this one has a closet that's different than the other one. It's not quite a vanity or dresser. But this one has a door to the patio that I will show you in just a moment. All right, here we are on the patio. This has so much room. You can put anything out here that you'd like. You can see that they have a grill and a smoker. You can also put a hot tub over there. There's this nice little patio furniture set right here, which is great because this is covered. And there's enough room for a table. There's even a bench right here, so you could totally like only have a couple chairs, save a lot of space, and put the table close to the bench. But what I really love is what they've done with this area down here. As you can see, they have this hammock, and there's a built-in fireplace. It's a gas fireplace, so it's really easy to light. And look at their garden area, especially in this time of year. It's so beautiful. They have all of their flowers blooming. so many plants, so many different varieties of flowers. They have hummingbird feeders, which is a great idea. And this grass area is so fun. Oh, they even have a eucalyptus tree. This grass area it reminds me of the rose garden kind of, because it has a nice little area to walk, and on either side you have roses and different varieties of plants. But as you can see, this goes back kind of far, and it actually winds around like a snake all the way to the bottom of the fence. So you have a lot of privacy back here. I hope you loved this house as much as I did. If you do, please like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you next time. 구독, 좋아요, 해주세요. Is that right? I did it right! It's so bad!